Dear fellow youths in Calamba, where are you going to be in 5 years? What will you be doing from morning until evening, and where will you enter in college? Pursuing your education after high school is very important if you want to have a good life, better future, and have many opportunities to grab. Continuing your education has been shown to beneficial health impacts, economic world, and individual learning. Earning a college degree is for you and for the society. But what if you don't have enough income to support your education for college? Are you going to give up or still pursue your dreams in life? I'm studying in City College of Calamba, where the students here were financially challenged but strong mind to continue their studies. Let me assure you some important things you have to know. First, in fact of serving 9 years, the CCC has proven the quality of education that everyone deserves. There are many passers of licensure examination for teachers, and in the previous year, we got the rank top 5 overall in the Philippines. That's an amazing thing that gives privilege and honor in the CCC. Another thing is that we never obtained a zero passer in Certified Public Accountant examination, which is one of the most difficult examinations given by the PRC. The students' mission to produce competent, committed, and compassionate global professionals was achieved. The students who graduated here will easily get a job, and before they graduate, a job fair were conducted for them. It's good for them because from poor family, they can now help their parents. Second, is very affordable. All students studying here were scholar because we only pay the miscellaneous fee and the tuition fee was paid by the taxpayers. There's also a lot of scholarships to be offered. If you're graduated as valedictorian or salutatorian, then you may grab it. And I am one of those since I graduated as valedictorian, and I have to grab it because I have also 3 siblings who were taking up college degree. Other scholarships offered are if you are top 10 in entrance examination, child of barangay health workers, barangay officials such as councilor, captain, treasurer, and secretary, and also the municipality also offers financial assistance. Third, there are a lot of Samaritan people who are willing to help the students in the CCC. According to our guidance counselor, there are some anonymous persons who were supporting the miscellaneous fee of some students, and according to our school nurse, if you need eyeglasses, then the unknown person may provide, although in limited number of persons. Other benefit is that if you belong in top 5 students of bachelor science in accountancy, then half of the payment of your review session fee for CPA exam is paid by the municipality. Poverty is not a hindrance to have an education. Enrolling in the CCC is very advantageous for everyone, especially to the poor ones. So we, Calambeños, have lucky enough to have this kind of school. So why don't you enroll now?